Alright, today is January 3rd, 2018. It's the sound issue. So this time it shows the station. The lights are actually still working. As you can see, they're changing. They're in demo mode. If I go here, it doesn't change. I don't know. There's no sound. I can't go to media either. I cannot make a call. I do not have sound. Nothing happens when I press this button. Sometimes it used to flicker. It says audio off a lot when this happens, but it has nothing to do with turning it off and on, because I've tried that. I have tried calling OnStar and it acts like it's actually trying to call. They may be able to hear me, I cannot hear them. Let's try the door. Now then let's try what happens if I drive without my seatbelt on, if there's a sound then. I'm not sure how far I should have to go before it dings. I think it should already be doing it though. Just gonna drive a few circles. Should have definitely been making sound, so that's not working either. Let's try the trunk and see. We got noise with the trunk.